In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to school course lessons. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process seamlessly. So let's dive right in and get started with enhancing your school courses by adding engaging video content. First, we'll need to navigate to Skool. So go ahead and open your web browser and type Skool into the Google search bar. After you've hit search, look for the first result that appears and click on it to reach the Skool homepage. Now that you're on Skool's site, log in with your account details. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up to access the educational content management features. Once logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the Skool interface. There, you'll notice two small arrows. Click on these to reveal a variety of options on the sidebar. Next, from this sidebar, select the community you're working with. If you're part of multiple communities, make sure to choose the one associated with the course you intend to update. Once you're inside your chosen community, locate and click on the Classroom section. This is where all your course content resides. Upon entering the Classroom section, you'll see a list of courses you manage. Find and click on the specific course where you'd like to add a video lesson. This will take you to the course overview, where you'll be making all the changes. Now that you've selected your course, look for the Edit button. It's typically easy to spot on the course interface. Clicking this button will allow you to modify course details and add new content, like the video we're planning to include. After opening the edit mode, find the icon that looks like a link. It's here that you upload or link your video to the course lesson. You might use a video hosting service like YouTube or Vimeo to source your video. Simply paste the URL of the video into the designated area, ensuring that the link is correct and accessible. Once you've pasted your video link, always double check that everything is in order. It's a good habit to test the video link to make sure it plays correctly, preventing any disruption for your course participants. Lastly, to save all your hard work and apply these changes, click on the Save button. This step is crucial as it ensures your new video content is officially added to the course. If done correctly, students will now be able to view and learn from your video materials. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a video to your school course lesson. Thanks for joining me today, and happy teaching.